Very good morning. Welcome back to Charan Blog. Today we will learn shareholding pattern, how we could monitor in a company, and why is it useful. Okay, let us begin. Shareholding pattern. Okay, in shareholding pattern, it could have four different investments. One is promoter investment, and another is FII investment, another is a DII investment, other is public investment. Okay, public investment, there is some normal people. Okay, public means any means general public. Yeah, first we will discuss about promoter shareholding. Okay, the good pattern of promoter shareholding is for 35 to 75, you could assume. Okay, means it should be medium, not be very less, not be too high. Okay, because why I say is like that. Okay, if the promoter is having very less capital in that company, and the more capital of public shareholding is available in that company, what will happen? Public are very sensitive in nature. If they will get fear, they will get exit from the company, and the company share price will fall like anything. Okay, that is one problem. And if what happen if more promoter holding is available in that company, okay, there is possibility the promoter can withdraw his complete capital, and he could start other business, or he could move away from the company. There is possible. So more capital is also not good for a particular company. Means he could withdraw any time. Okay, at that time the share price will fall like anything. Okay, so more capital of the promoter holding is not good, less capital of promoter is holding is also not good. The good promoter holding is 35%, 30% also you could take, and 75%, up to 75% you could see it is a promoter believing the company, and he is invested more capital, and sure that promoter, if he invested more money, and he don't like to withdraw his capital as well. Okay, means here by seeing this pattern, we could say promoter have confidence or not. And other thing, promoter, it always we can't say that the promoter having good confidence, and he is invested, and he is also doing all the things right. Okay, there is promoter pledging is also there, and promoter pledging is like let's say he invested 200 crores of the particular company. Okay, and he took pledge 50% from any other company, means by putting his shares, means he given as a securities. Okay, means if he have 100 crore shares, and he given 50 crores of shares, bonds as a securities, and he could take the loan as that amount. Okay, that means what happen if the company go in loss, if he don't pay the payments time to time, what will happen? The whomever he his securities, whomever they have the promoter securities, they could sell his shares on a open market. Means if once he keep all the shares, the one thing is sure that everyone not so greedy when promoter shares are selling. Okay, And other thing is that when huge number of shares entered into the market, there won't be many people to buy that all the shares. Okay, means if it is come into the more open market, people will keep bargaining. They will keep bargaining less. What happen? It will fall. The share price will fall. Okay. So pledging is also should be not more. Healthy pledging is 15% is okay. 15-20 okay. Like 98%, 95% not good pledging, because he though means he invested total capital and he took a total loan as well. Okay, there is promoter is taking lot of risk. And other thing is FIIs. FII is putting capital, means it is a good company. FII increases shareholding, that time the share price will also get increased, because FIIs have more money. FIIs means foreign institutional investors, and they keep add more capital. Okay, and they and other thing is FIIs will buy at all time high prices, and they will sell at low prices. Okay, so when FIIs invested in that any company, it is one of the good healthy parameter to that company. And other thing, this DIS means domestic institutional investors, and they are mutual funds companies and other companies as well. Even our PPF accounts and our more of government holding also will be present in the DIS, domestic institutional investors. Okay, and last is public. There are certain big shareholders would be there who keep investing since more than 15 years, 20 years, and they also become the part of public. They are also become the part of the public companies, and there will be possible that private companies also will be present in the public shareholding. And in the public only, we also retail investors like us also present in that company. Okay, if the more share value is available in the like our retail investors, there is more risk to the company, because the retail investors will not stay longer. Anytime will come, anytime will go away. So this is we must keep in our mind while investing. Okay, thank you.